Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you a tutorial on how I did this half up, half down. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So I will be doing a sew-in. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and part her hair from ear to ear. And once I've parted out that section, I am going to put away the top portion and start braiding the back down. So now that the back is done braiding, I'm just going in with some oil, oiling her scalp. And then that piece of braid that's left hanging, I'm just gonna go ahead and sew that up. I will be using 2 bundles in the back, so I do like to double my wefts, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start from the bottom and sew all the way to the top. And as I said before, I did use basically 2 bundles in the back, and then I used 1 bundle for her ponytail.
Show me the car where you turn me on, the way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling, cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me, but I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist, cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, no get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no
Now that I've finished sewing the back, I am gonna go ahead and use my Babe Bliss Nano Titanium Flat Iron and just straighten the top portion of her hair because we are going to do a sleek ponytail. So I'm just showing you guys, I'm going in with my Dax and my Biva Silk, and I'm gonna go ahead and straighten the back of her hair first as well, because we are not doing any leave out at the back to cover the tracks. We're just gonna put her ponytail on top of it. So I wanted the hair to be nice and straight, that way I didn't have to go back and fix anything after or have to move the ponytail once I set it in place. So now I'm just going to give her a middle part, and then I am going to section out the front portion. We did do bangs for this hairstyle, so I'm going to part that out first, and then I'm going to make the other two partings. This is a two-part type of ponytail, half up, half down. So I'm just making sure that both sides are even. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my Got To Be Free spray and my blow dryer to slick her ponytail down. So as you can see, I am combing her hair over the weft, so that way you won't be able to see it once you won't be able to see the weft once her hair is in the ponytail. So if you want to know leave out method, this is a great method to do. You're just going to make sure you slick the ponytail over the weft, that way you don't see it. So what I'm going to do is put this section into a ponytail. That way it is easier for me to make sure that the sides are going up where they need to. So I'm just kind of like combing the sides down and around to put into the ponytail. So also I want to mention, you do not have to go in sections the way I am. You can do this all in one shot, but I like working in sections, so you will always see that I will be doing it in smaller pieces rather than doing it all at once. I just find that it makes it easier for me, but you can, if you would like, do it all in one shot. So now that the sides are done, I'm just gonna go ahead and connect it to the middle. That way it is all in one ponytail. And as you can see, you do not see the tracks, so you wanna make sure the ponytail is low enough to cover all the tracks as well. Now that it's in the ponytail, I'm gonna go ahead and add some braiding hair and just braid her hair in one braid. I will be doing the invisible ponytail method. So I'm gonna braid this braid, use a black rubber band just to secure the end, and then fold it up so that way the ponytail doesn't start so low. And then I'm gonna just start sewing the ponytail from the bottom up to the top. Now I'm just taking a piece of the hair from the back of the ponytail and I'm using this as my wrap. So I like to go in with my got2b free spray, and you want to make sure that this wrap is nice and neat so you can comb through it, use your fingers, and just make sure there's no bumps, lumps, anything like that. And I'm just gonna wrap that around her hair tie and the weft. So now that we are done with the back, I'm gonna go to the front. So I'm just gonna part out her bang. We did like it's kind of like a slant for the bang, just following the part that was already there. And I'm gonna go ahead and glue some tracks. So you wanna just measure the track out, add some glue. You could add stiff spray once you put the track down and your blow dryer to dry it. So I added 2 tracks to each side of the bang. So there was 2 tracks on this side and 2 tracks on the opposite side. And once I finished that, I also went ahead and did a blunt cut to her bangs just to cut it shorter because the hair was longer. So now that I've cut the hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and curl her sideburns and use my edge control to style them. I also did go back in with the flat iron, guys, just to curl the ends of her bang. So I didn't just cut it and leave it. I did go back and straighten that a bit. But this is basically how the style is looking. I went in with my gloss spray. I sprayed that all over her hair. And yeah, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think about it. It was definitely one of those viral hairstyles. I love me a half up, half down. It is one of my favorite hairstyles. So comment down below. Let me know how you feel about it. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel because more videos will be coming out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.